Imagine owning a gold mine. Now imagine owning the marketplace where every ounce of gold is traded. One requires constant extraction. The other collects value from every transaction. For centuries, most people focused on production. Make the product, create the asset, build the resource, and hope demand follows. But hidden beneath every thriving economy, another layer exists. A layer that produces nothing, designs nothing, creates nothing, yet continuously grows richer. The exchange. A creator uploads a digital asset. A customer purchases it. The exchange takes a percentage. The creator works. The infrastructure collects. Again and again and again. Most people think the creator economy is powered by creators. It isn't. Creators supply the inventory. The exchange controls the flow. And whoever controls the flow often controls the economics. Today, we decode the blueprint behind the digital asset exchange, a system transforming creativity into infrastructure. To control a system, you must first understand its architecture. Most users see products, templates, graphics, plugins, designs, digital tools. But products are only the visible layer. Beneath the interface exists a much larger machine. Layer 1, the supply layer. Independent creators producing assets, thousands, sometimes millions. Layer 2, the exchange layer. The infrastructure connecting supply to demand. Search systems, discovery systems, trust systems, payment systems. Layer 3, the distribution layer. The engine determining what gets seen, what gets purchased, and what remains invisible. Most entrepreneurs focus on creation. That is understandable. Creation feels productive. But history repeatedly rewards coordination. Not because coordination creates value, because coordination concentrates value. Most people see products. The architect sees flows. Consider two businesses. The first creates a digital asset. Revenue appears when the asset sells. The second owns the marketplace. Revenue appears whenever any asset sells. The distinction seems subtle. Its consequences are enormous. The creator depends on performance. The exchange depends on activity. The creator competes against other creators. The exchange benefits from competition. The creator worries about trends. The exchange profits from trends. As more creators arrive, inventory expands. As inventory expands, buyers arrive. As buyers arrive, transactions increase. And every transaction reinforces the exchange. This creates one of the most powerful mechanisms in business, a scalable commission engine. The exchange does not need to predict which asset wins. It benefits from the existence of winners. And when a business profits from the ecosystem itself rather than individual outcomes, its position becomes remarkably resilient. If anyone can build a marketplace, why do only a handful dominate? Because marketplaces obey a different law, the law of aggregation. Creators want buyers. Buyers want variety. Variety attracts demand. Demand attracts creators. The cycle repeats again and again and again. This creates economic gravity. Every new participant strengthens the system. Over time, the exchange becomes more valuable than any individual asset inside it. Think carefully about that. A single creator may succeed. An exchange benefits from thousands. A single product may fail. An exchange survives because others succeed. The strongest infrastructure businesses understand this principle. They do not compete for attention one product at a time. They build ecosystems that attract attention automatically, and ecosystems are extraordinarily difficult to replicate.
This brings us to the blueprint. Most entrepreneurs ask the wrong question. What should I create? A more powerful question exists. What flow can I facilitate? The strongest opportunities often emerge where creators and buyers struggle to find each other. A niche industry, a specialized profession, a fragmented market, a growing category. Identify valuable assets, then identify friction, discovery friction, trust friction, transaction friction, distribution friction. Build infrastructure around those bottlenecks, not around products, around exchanges. The customer does not care how the marketplace operates. The customer cares about access, convenience, trust, and efficiency. The technology becomes invisible. The transaction becomes valuable. And when transactions become habitual, the exchange becomes indispensable. This is where leverage emerges, not from creating the asset, but from controlling the marketplace through which assets move.
The industrial economy, scaled manufacturing. The software economy, scaled information. The creator economy is scaling digital production itself. Most people see creators. Most people see products. Most people see digital assets. The architect sees infrastructure, an exchange layer, a distribution network, a scalable utility. The technology will improve. The assets will become more sophisticated. The creators will become more capable. But the underlying principle remains unchanged. The greatest fortunes are rarely built by creating every asset. They are built by controlling the systems through which assets are exchanged. Most people produce inventory. The architect owns the marketplace. Most people compete for customers. The architect facilitates transactions. Most people build products. The architect builds the exchange. This is Nexera, Decoding Systems, Architecting Wealth.